Hello friends, welcome back to our channel all over the world. Today we are going back to past in year 1986. The year 1986 was the most disastrous year for Europe. The incident which made the year 1986 disastrous for Europe was none other than the Chernobyl accident. The accident took place in a country called Ukraine near the city of Pripyat in Europe. The Chernobyl accident in 1986 was the result of flawed reactor design that was operated with inadequately trained personnel. The resulting steam explosion and fire released at least 5% of the radioactive reactor core into the environment, with the deposition of radioactive metals in many parts of Europe. The accident destroyed the Chernobyl 4 reactor, killing 30 operators and firemen within 3 months and several further deaths later. One person was killed immediately and the second died in hospital. Over the next few days, 134 servicemen involved with the cleanup and around Pripyat were hospitalized. 28 died of acute radiation syndrome, which is also known as ARS, in the following weeks, and 14 died of radiation-induced cancer within the next 10 years. Indeed, the complete effects of the disaster had on the health in the public in Pripyat in the surrounding area is still totally not known. The Chernobyl disaster allowed vast amounts of radioactive isotopes to blow out in the atmosphere, covering parts of Soviet Union, Eastern Europe, Scandinavia, the United Kingdom, and the American East Coast. The Ukrainian city Pripyat was affected most drastically. The Ukrainian capital Kiev received around 60% of the isotopic particles. Almost 350,000 people evacuated their homes in Pripyat from 1986 to 2000 due to Chernobyl accident. The city of Pripyat, which was home to 350,000 people, now has population as literally zero. Hence, Pripyat is also known as ghost town in Ukraine. The Chernobyl disaster of April 28, 1986 in Pripyat remains the most catastrophic nuclear accident of the 20th century. Please like and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Turn on the post notifications. Thank you.